Hey guys, welcome back to Beyond the Limits. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a tilt. To improve your tilt, you are going to do a couple of stretches. So first off, spread your feet outwards, and then you are going to put your hands on your knees and you are going to sit down. Hold this position for 10 seconds. After this, you are going to put your right foot out and make sure the top foot is facing towards you. Hold this position for another 10 seconds. After this, you are going to do the same thing on the other side. Now move on into the middle splits. If you want to learn how to get your full middle splits, go ahead and check out my video. After this, you are going to set up and you are going to reach to your right side. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you are going to stand up and you are going to kick your right leg up 10 times on each leg. Next up, you are going to find a doorway in your house and you are going to put one leg against the door and you are going to hold this position for 10 seconds. Anyways guys, that's a wrap for the video. I hope you enjoyed and make sure to stay beyond the limits.